So this is a quick video to show how to use the tasking system in the new 42 VFG mission. From the F10 menu, you'll notice that you have two choices. You've got settings for yourself, and you've got access to the command center mother, which operates all the tasks that you can be given by the Moose tasking system that we have. Inside this, you'll see that we've got two missions. Missions are like a super container for lots of little tasks underneath, and they're logically split. I've split them up between Strike and Seed. Now you will get some crossover depending on what text, because there's quite some RNG going on. But if we look in Strike and then wish to join the planned task, we'll have a choice then, if we keep drilling in, of these tasks to join, but you won't know anything about them first, so it's probably not what you want to do. Probably what you want to do is to go back and have a look at the marked task locations on all map, and it will put everything for that mission, Red Fire, onto the map. And if you do that and then check your F10 menu, what you'll get is you'll get the distribution of where these missions are, which gives you the first choice in what you want. And this also, if you click on them, you will get some detail. So this is BAI 003. It doesn't actually tell you what is there, but you know where it is. And you can drill and find out more information about what the targets are. For Vigans and other people dropping dumb bombs that need weather data, you've got weather data over the target as well. So each of these you can pop up. Let's say we fancy this one on Keshen. It's BAI 006, and there's, because it's not a seed mission, we probably think there's no air defense targets nearby. So let's look at BAI 006 from the menu, and we're going to go back to the command center, back into the Red Fire mission, and we want to join the planned task. So we're going drilling into the BAI ones, find BAI 006 here, and we're going to press join task. We could have got separate details from it. Perhaps let's do that. Let's see what we get. And the targets are 5 of P chemical tank. The chemical tanks are just a gas type circular tank, and we know there's 5 of them. This gives us a good idea for planning what we want. It also tells you the range up here in kilometers. We'll circle back to the way we want this information presented to us. So let's go and assign ourselves to this task inside mission Red Fire. So back to Red Fire. To join a planned task, we're going to pick the task. It's going to be BAI 06, and we're going to press join the task. Now watch what happens. We know that we're now assigned. You can have multiple groups assigned to this. It gives you more information about it, and again, we're not really interested in bras. We don't really want those. We've got an INS navigation system that we can program waypoints for. So the next step would be to come back into the menu and choose your settings. They default, I can't change the default, but that's because you can get into a Russian plane and want kilometers, or get in something next and you want something else. Maybe you want bras or MGRS for an A10. So let's pick the air to ground coordinate system, and for the Hornet we want degrees, minutes, seconds, because it takes the legacy DMS settings and then converts them into the metric or the decimal system of that. So if we change that, it changes into DMS. If you now have a look when the pop-up to what mission we're assigned appears, it's now giving us this in DMS, and we can enter that without the leading zeros for the Hornet. So you can use your INS to program that as a waypoint, and that's what you have to work with, and this will track your task to completion. Multiple people can join that task, and it allows you to basically get something very, very random. All these are randomly created or from random targets and random places, and it's up to you you can choose whatever you want and just to execute it. And if the nag annoys you, what you can do is go back to your settings, and if we go to settings, your call sign, messaging and reports here, update messages, that's the one that you want to change. If we take update messages off, then you won't get things flash up on your screen, and you can have a little bit more peaceful time